Okay.
You are not confused.
My computer just falls.
Dang it, my snort.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Hello everybody, my name is Catherine and welcome back to my channel.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine and I'm here again with Alaina. Yay, there's a crumb on my shirt. Okay, it looks laggy for us, but apparently it's not. And when I stand up, I'm taller than this person. Why do you need to specify? I don't know. Okay, anyways, you said you wanted to know that. Okay, so say everything. Okay, anyways, we're making slime today. We're making fluffy slime, but it's like not fluffy. Like that weird slime you get in that little container, and then you push it down and it makes a fart noise. Basically. Okay. That works.
But it's a real thing.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you gonna tell everyone?
Yeah, okay, so first you need shaving cream. And then you need glue.
Doesn't matter if it's clear or not, all I have is clear, so
Yeah. And then you need multi-purpose solution.
mostly saying you need contact solution.
Yes. And then you need assorted food coloring dye.
Food coloring, basically any color you want.
Basically, but
This
we're
is-
gonna do blue.
This is optional, excuse me. Okay. Okay, we get it. Don't mind that. That's just a pile of clothes that's off in the distance.
And
They're clean, don't worry. Okay, first, okay, you need a bowl too.
Okay.
Okay, then spoon or fork or whatever. Oh, I almost threw that at your face.
Why are you so mean to me?
Okay, let's not do that.
Maybe the next time you see me or in a video, I will have braces because I get braces.
Put the glue in first. So you're gonna want to put
The
glue.
glue.
Can I put it in? No. Okay, put the glue in.
Oh my goodness gracious! Get your little patootie out of there.
Patootie.
Like those weird mannequin things to CBI.
Those things are weird.
I know, they're kind of creepy. Okay, what is next?
Put your shaving cream.
How much shaving cream?
Oh. So this is what we have. You can't even see it.
Ooh, it looks like whipped cream. Warning: you cannot eat you can eat whipped cream. You just can't eat shaving cream.
Just a reminder. Then you mix those together.
Mix it all sticky. And yet again, next video I'm in, I have to mess with my necklace.
Yeah, if you haven't watched the video that we made together, she was messing with her necklace.
I
made the
also
funniest
look
edit.
like an idiot in that video. So.
What was your first video? So I looked like an idiot in my first video. I'll link those videos in the description if you want to watch them.
Please don't.
I will.
They can look through your channel.
Nah, they're too lazy like me.
Well, I'm not lazy all the time.
Okay, so it's gonna kind of look like whipping cream, like really thick whip. really, really thick whipping cream. Ow! Oh.
Who can I?
Don't touch it!
Don't touch it.
It's illegal.
I want to put it in. No, come on. So, can I put in the food coloring?
Yes. Okay, now you're gonna put in.
Blue.
Put in your food coloring.
You can put in any color you want, just as long as it's like.
We choose. She chooses blue.
I choose blue because that is my favorite color.
My favorite color is green. If you wanna get me anything, make it green.
Me? I already got you a Christmas present.
I know.
And you already know what it is, so.
Okay. Okay. How much?
1 to 2.
Put 4 drops.
4 drops. Put 4 drops. 2, 3, 4. Can I mix it?
No.
Come on. It's my channel. I'll do what I want.
Yeah. Might need to put more.
Me?
So
Okay.
keep it.
Ooh, pretty.
It's like a baby blue.
I like baby blue. Well, not all the time.
The sound is so weird.
Yeah, you know you're cringe.
Okay. Now it looks like this. Okay. Want to put more in? Do you like it?
Add more.
Okay, go ahead.
How much more?
2.
Well,
That didn't change anything. Well, it made it a little darker.
like one month?
No, it's okay.
No, that's it? Oh,
Yeah.
Come on. You know, why do I always just jump into this accent? I don't even know. Oh, you still have the bunny foot? Bunny tail. Bunny foot. The pink bunny foot.
Yeah. Alaina!
That was on accident!
Don't get it all.
You caught me blue-handed.
What if it was red? Don't. We won't get that. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. It's freaking blue dye. Oh my god, it was already open. Okay, so you're gonna get.
Dirty mind, you.
What?
I said, you dirty mind.
You said dirty mind, you.
I said, you dirty mind, you.
Okay. So you're gonna get this and squirt some of it in.
That's so much worse.
Just gonna. Okay. The sound
She-
effects
she-
that I
she-
made
okay,
sounded wrong. Okay, whoa. Starting to get slimy.
I'm blue-handed.
So you're gonna put only a little bit in, a little at a time. Okay, to mix it, I'll put it in.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I know what we're missing.
What are you missing?
You need hot water and baking soda, and then mix this in with it.
Woman.
So I'm gonna go get some.
So pretty.
I'm back.
Cool.
That's the thing your mom bought me.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Come
I'm gonna
on.
put this stuff in here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, here it is.
Yeah, my mom bought that little teacup thing for. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, pour little by little.
Little by little.
Don't spill any of it, so like put it in. Okay. Stir it up. Stir it up, baby.
I love them. Yeah, sorry if I look weird, I just am. Anybody who's watching this that goes to our school, do not make fun of me when tomorrow, whenever, after you ever post it.
Today's 12/6/16.
I get braces next Friday. I know I need them, but I can't have caramel. Or Laffy Taffy. Why do you have to use clear glue?
I don't know, this is all I had.
Oh, okay, I was like,
We're just watching it.
this smells like my grandpa's cologne. Okay, comment your favorite color. Or favorite movie.
If your favorite color is blue, hit that like button because it turns blue.
Sorry this is taking forever.
And boom! There you have it. You know what? It turned green. I changed my mind about the color, so we added green.
We restarted.
Yeah. So, and then turns into this sludge. We put glitter in it. Can I see? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it slowly. We put too much contact solution in it on accident and too much glue. So yeah. And there's this, you know what? There's a don't get it on the carpet. You know, it's a different container. Oh, it's cold. I can already feel it. Different container. No apparent reason for that. You know, we too lazy to wash out the blue one. How do you like that? Hey. Okay, my computer is 10% remaining. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you tried this, comment, put it in the comment section below. Yeah, that's kind of it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for,
And I'm Alaina.
Make sure to subscribe for Alaina. I'll put that video that we did earlier in the description. I'll put my first video in the description if you want to watch it.
You have too many Barbie dolls.
Don't judge me.
I have none, because I am probably cooler than you.
That's not nice. Oh, I almost threw up. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Stop it.